Work moves fast, and now so can your ideas. Because Acrobat Studio is your AI-powered workspace with everything you need to create, share, and review polished professional content right at your fingertips. Streamline how work gets done by bringing together all your important documents, links, visuals, and notes in one single organized knowledge hub with PDF spaces. You're not just sharing files with your team. You're sharing the full story, passing along background, insights, and next steps so teams and stakeholders can align and collaborate without extra meetings or work. Use a pre-built AI assistant like Analyst or Instructor, or easily create your own personalized AI assistants that are ready to deliver key insights, outlines, reports, and other ways to give your work a head start. When it's time to create, you can edit a PDF, start from a template, or create something from scratch with Adobe Express. Choose assets from your own brand kit, or start with our easy-to-use templates and design tools that make it easy to create content that looks professional and on-brand, even if you're not a designer. When you're ready for review, share with your team and gather feedback in one place with the right context. It's the Acrobat you trust, now with the intelligence, collaboration, and creative power to help you go from ideas to actions and deliver with impact. Learn more at business.adobe.com.